Question, relevant question.
Professor Jimmy Sheehan and Finn Brannock and Dr. Oisin Healy came in here in 2017. They've told you all about the pitfalls of this disastrous site. They've requested again through us to come into the Health Committee. I got a letter today refusing them. So there's none so blind as those who cannot see. You won't listen to people who have a track record on building hospitals. Will you now reject this site? You can make it a car park or whatever, you can do other things in it, and move to the Greenfield site, which can be built in 14 months, a perfectly hospital with 3 helipads if necessary, no helipad here. Will you please listen to reasonable people who know what they're talking about?
To the rural independence from Minister Harris.
I absolutely don't change the decision that the government made, and indeed that successive governments have endorsed now in relation to moving ahead with this. I've listened to so many politicians in different parties who have been involved in debates over the years about the location of the site. At some point you actually have to make a decision, and you actually have to get on with delivering a hospital. I think it was first mentioned in this House, Deputy McGrath, in 1962 that we should build a national children's hospital. We're building it. We're building it on the site of St James's. We're doing that for good clinical reasons, endorsed by many paediatricians today. That work is underway. We've already invested $235 million in the development of this project, and well, I believe we have, Deputy. And to do anything other than that would actually be, in the word scandal.
Deputy McGrath, I'll ask you to be more careful than to accuse the Minister of misleading the House. You suggested last week I was protecting Minister Donoghue, and you can't. No, you won't get him, because I think you're all very good, and I'm intrigued that if you don't have enough time, I'm blamed, and if you get too much time, nobody ever accuses me of giving too much time. So I'm moving on now